Okay, guys, so I'm gonna let the Domino's app decide what I have for supper tonight. Let's see. I've never tried that before. Well, I've placed my order, guys. It's my first time trying it. We're gonna see what it's hitting for. I'll be sure to let you know. I'm sure my facial expression is gonna tell it all.
You have a good one.
You too, thank you. So here we have it, guys. I'm back with the oven baked sub sandwich. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Let's not talk too fast. I like with a little burnt crispy edges. So let's get into this sandwich. They were nice enough to cut it for me. Oh, it's a lot of cheese.